Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Enormous Mystery. We are here in our second episode, and I am AI.
And I am considered AR, and today we'll be talking about the theory of
World War II. So, what found in the internet, it is some website called
it's not
Britain.
It's not a theory actually. We're just talking about it.
Yeah. So they say in the first Japanese dive bomber appeared over Pearl Harbor at 7:55 am. It was the local time, and they say it was part of the first wave. Nearly 200 aircraft, including bombers and fighters, and within a quarter of an hour, the bombers within a quarter of an hour, the various airfields at the base were subjected to savage attack.
Due to the short's anti-sabotage measures, the U.S. military aircraft were pegged tightly together
At
the naval air station. Yeah.
And the Ford Island and adjoining the Wheeler Hickam fields, and many were destroyed on the ground by Japanese staffing. And let me show you guys something, how this actually happened. As you can see in here, the German aircraft production by year. So as you can see, there is 1933 Combat Type 0 and other types 368. In 1934, 840 and other types 840.
Other types 1120.
So you guys can check it. We are just not gonna read it. And here we'll be telling you some specific war events during that period. So in Pearl Harbor attack was December 7, 1941, and the Battle of
Wake Island
was December 1940, December 8, 1941 to
December 23, 1941.
And the Bataan Death March was
April 9, 1942.
And the Battle of Coral Sea was May 4, 1942 to May 8, 1942.
The Battle of Midway was June 3, 1942 to June 6, 1942.
Yes. And the Battle of
Guadalcanal.
Okay. In August 1942 to February 1943. And the Battle of Philippine Sea was June 19, 1944 to June 20, 1944.
And Battle of Leyte Gulf, October 23, 1944 to October 26, 1944.
And the Battle of Okinawa, April 1, 1945 to June 21, 1945. And they say there was like about 2,300, including more than 2,300. U.S. military says that 3,040, including more than 2,300 armies, U.S. military were killed, and heavy damage was inflicted on both army and navy aircraft on the ground. And you can see this right here, the Allied Air Strength, September 1939.
Yes, Allied Air Strength, September 1939.
You can see this.
We can see the aircrafts from British, French, and
Polish. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video.
Yeah, and subscribe to this channel.
And in the last video we was talking about the theory of the Bermuda Triangle, and we only talk about the fakest theory. We did not talk about the real theory.
The actual, very convincible. So there are two theories. There's two theories.
The real two theories that we all believe.
Yeah, but I'm gonna mention one here. It is that they like the scientists have looked at the image of a Bermuda Triangle over using a satellite, and then they've seen hexagon shape opening of hexagon shapes in the clouds, and that it could have created a storm.
So they say it is a magnet.
No. That is another theory. This theory, it will create storms due to the hexagon shapes in the clouds.
And let me talk about the second one. They say it was created by
I'm not done yet.
Okay, that theory.
The storms are stronger than any ship or plane can handle.
Okay, then what happened? Like how boats or airplanes get sucked into that position. Yeah, storm, because there's a magnetic attraction in that.
That's the other theory.
Yeah, then talk about the second theory. There's like a magnetic attraction in that same location, the Bermuda Triangle, magnetic attraction. So mostly the stuff that are made out of wood.
Wait. In the 19th, Christopher Columbus said that when he was on a journey, he have he went in a wrong direction, and then he ended up in Bermuda Triangle, and he saw a flash in the sky which made him like scared for
Yeah.
death, and that his compass started going haywire. So that
Because
means,
of the magnetic attraction.
yeah, it means it's a meteorite which was crashing into the sea, and if it lays in the
Yeah.
Bermuda Triangles till today without breaking, the ships can be misleaded into the Bermuda Triangle because of the compass.
Okay, so this is the theory of we talk about theory of the wire 2, and the last video we was talking about the theory of Bermuda Triangle. We told the real theory of that in this video. Thank you guys for watching.
And hope you guys enjoy this video.
Yeah. Woo!